Hello everyone, I, Inderpreet Singh, Faculty of Management Studies in Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. In this lecture, I will be explaining Directional Policy Metrics. The Shell Chemicals from United Kingdoms developed the Directional Policy Matrix, which consists of two dimensions. First is business sector prospects and the other is companies' competitive capabilities. The combination of two dimensions with 3 degrees in each given 9 cells as depicted in the diagram. Each cell shows the type of strategy which a firm may adopt. Now let's discuss the directional policy matrix model in detail. First cell is divestment. A business with weak capability and unattractive business prospects usually incur losses. It is advisable to liquidate or move assets used in segment in this sector as fast as you can. Second is phased withdrawal. Business falling in cell 2 and cell 4 should be divested in phases because these businesses are not likely to earn as much as other businesses in the portfolio. Third is double or quit. The business with weak capability and high business prospects may be strengthened by investing more resources. Alternatively, such businesses may be divested when it is not possible to invest more resources in it. Fourth is custodial. The business with average capability and average business prospect has two alternatives. The firm may either bear with the situation or it may divest such business to concentrate on other businesses. Fifth is try harder. The business with attractive business prospects and average capability needs to be strengthened through additional resources so as to take advantages of attractive business prospects. Sixth is cash generation. The business with strong capability but unattractive business prospects may be used to generate cash. No further investment is needed due to unattractive business prospects. And the last, seventh is market leadership. The business with strong capability and attractive business prospects may be converted into market leader by investing more resources and through innovation. So I hope you have understood the lecture. For more videos like this, kindly subscribe Tecnia TV. Thank you very much.